Hook, have you ever found yourself in a financial crunch, desperately needing access to your money? Maybe you've had an unexpected expense or simply want to treat yourself. In those moments, the speed at which your bank releases funds can make all the difference. So, let's dive into the burning question: how long does Monzo take to release funds? Context: Monzo, known for its sleek app and innovative features, has gained popularity among many. But when it comes to the crucial aspect of fund release times, how does it stack up against traditional banks? In this video, we'll explore the factors that influence Monzo's fund release speed and provide you with insights to help you manage your finances more effectively. Factors affecting Monzo fund release times. Payment method: the method you use to deposit funds into your Monzo account can significantly impact the release time. Bank transfers: typically, bank transfers take longer to process compared to other methods. Monzo usually indicates estimated processing times for bank transfers. Card payments: credit and debit card payments are generally processed more quickly, often within a few minutes. Cash deposits: cash deposits at Monzo-supported locations can also be processed relatively quickly. Fund destination: the destination where you're sending the funds can influence the release time. Domestic transfers: transfers within the UK are usually processed faster than international transfers. International transfers may involve additional processing time due to currency conversions and cross-border regulations. Monzo's system status: technical issues or system maintenance can occasionally affect fund release times. It's always a good idea to check Monzo's official channels for any service updates. Real-world examples. To give you a better understanding of Monzo's fund release times, let's explore some real-world examples. Example 1. John deposited a check into his Monzo account. Monzo estimated the processing time to be 3 to 5 business days. John received the funds within 4 business days. Example 2. Sarah made a card payment to her Monzo account. The funds were immediately available for use. Example 3. Mark initiated an international transfer from his Monzo account. The transfer took approximately 2 to 3 business days to complete. Tips for faster fund releases. Verify payment details. Ensure that all payment details are correct to avoid delays. Use preferred payment methods. Consider using payment methods that are known to have faster processing times. Monitor account activity. Keep an eye on your Monzo account for any updates regarding your funds. Contact Monzo support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo's customer support team. Conclusion. In conclusion, Monzo generally offers competitive fund release times. However, factors like payment method, fund destination, and system status can influence the speed of the process. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can effectively manage your finances and minimize any potential delays. Call to action. If you're considering using Monzo or have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to provide you with more information and address your concerns. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.